Week 1, Set 2, instruction. Our activity for this Set 2 is thinking like a historian. Our learning targets are to be able to use evidence to make inferences and to create and support an argument. In this activity, you'll begin with a discussion set, and the objective is to create questions that are yes or no questions to discover the identity of the person referenced in the quote. So if you think about it, think about 20 questions. Or I'm not asking you to write 20 questions, but think about if you were playing 20 questions. You would say yes or no questions. Is this person male or female? Is this person from the Paleolithic era or the Neolithic era? Was this person a nomad? Those are the types of questions that you would want to place on the discussion board. And then so that we can discover the identity of the mystery person that's referenced in the quote. After you complete your discussion, you will then open the slide presentation and the documents to discover the identity of the person referenced in the quote and learn about the life of this mystery person. On the documents, you will make notes from the slides and then draw inferences from your evidence you examine. After you complete the slide presentation, you will watch a brief video about the mystery person. Take more notes and collect more evidence. Remember to save your notes to your World History Week 1 folder in your Google Drive. Title the document, Collecting Evidence, Thinking Like a Historian. After you have made your notes, inferences, and collected evidence, you will then use the information to answer the writing prompt in the assignment module. This is the discussion module, and I would like for you to submit at least 5 questions that can be answered yes or no. And I've given you an example. Is this person referenced in the quote a man or a woman? So very short, just yes or no questions. Discuss ideas generated from the questions. Are there more questions you can ask after viewing questions from others? And then finally, make a guess. Who might this person referenced in the quote be? So in Set 2, Activity 1, this is where you'll find the slide presentation, Thinking Like a Historian, and your document, Collecting and Examining Evidence. So again, be sure to save your Collecting and Examining Evidence into your World History Week 1 folder, naming the file Collecting and Examining Evidence. I'd like to remind you that historians make inferences from evidence in order to draw logical conclusions about life and cultures of the past. Using the slide presentation, you'll collect your evidence and make your inferences and place that information on the Collecting and Examining Evidence sheet. Again, read the information and observe the evidence in the pictures and also the additional information that is supplied in the slide presentation. Watch the video about the mystery person before you begin to write your paragraph. Please remember to return to the module to complete the writing assignment after completing the video. And don't forget that you do have a writing assignment that goes with this, and the writing prompt will be in the assignment.